So check this out. We have kind of a unique situation. We've got an inward swinging walk-in door. And it came with a latch that kind of swung open and it prevented the door from coming inward. But many beer delivery guys didn't know the door was locked. So they crashed the door open with their carts. We came up with this. It goes through the door. It's still a safety release. So if you unthread this front piece is supposed to just fall off. But ideally, you place it like that, put a lock through it, and it's going to prevent your door from opening. Like that. Pretty cool. A little bit unconventional, but whatever works. The ask was to make this door lock, and I think that this is going to do it. Let's see if we can put put a new plug and an outlet up here, because they had stacked some bus tubs up here the other day and inadvertently unplugged our ice maker. So we're gonna swap it with a twist lock, and it will never accidentally come unplugged again. I'm gonna verify the power's off first though. I've got the breaker off, but we'll retest. Our opening here is just a little bit too small for our new plug. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Oh man, I over tightened the screws. I'll have to order another faceplate. This one will work for now, but yeah. We're gonna move on to the cord next. You can see the substantial upgrade in size. Now for the moment of truth. Oh, I shattered that plug a little more. All right, well, we need a new faceplate. Damn it. It's back on and running again. With a shiny new twist lock plug. You can crash all the bus tubs you want into this thing. It's not going anywhere now.